Hello yogis, welcome to another yoga session with Rumi. Let's calm our minds together and have some fun. Are you ready? Bend your knees and sit back as if lowering into a chair while keeping your chest lifted and breathing steadily as your glutes stay fully engaged and strong. Begin in a wide standing position, then bend your knees and lower your hips while breathing calmly and strengthening your glutes and thighs with steady control. Lie on your back and lift your hips toward the ceiling while squeezing your glutes gently and breathing slowly to build strength and stability. Balance on one leg and extend your body forward while keeping your glutes active and breathing smoothly to stay stable and focused. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge and lower your hips while breathing deeply as your glutes activate to support your balance and strength. Sit back into chair pose and gently rotate your upper body while keeping your glutes engaged and your breathing steady and controlled. Balance on one leg while lifting the other leg behind you and breathe calmly as your glutes work to keep you strong and steady. Lie on your stomach and lift your chest and legs off the ground while squeezing your glutes and breathing slowly for controlled strength. From downward dog, lift one leg high behind you while keeping your glutes engaged and breathing deeply to build lower body strength. Sit with hands behind you and lift your hips upward while pressing through your feet and activating your glutes with steady breathing. Balance on one leg while lifting the other leg high behind you and breathe calmly as your glutes and hamstrings engage for support. Bend your front knee and hold a strong, wide stance. Lean forward on one leg, with arms extended back while engaging your glutes and maintaining smooth, controlled breathing for balance. Step wide to one side and bend one knee while breathing deeply and activating your glutes to support strength and flexibility. Hold one foot behind you while balancing on one leg and breathe calmly as your glutes stay active to maintain stability. Rise onto your toes while holding chair pose and breathe steadily as your glutes and legs work together for extra strength. Step into a deep lunge and keep your torso upright while breathing deeply and engaging your glutes for balance and power. Lift one leg while holding bridge pose and breathe slowly, as your glutes work harder to keep your hips stable and strong. Bend one knee and lengthen your body to the side while breathing deeply and engaging your glutes for support and control. Stay in a deep squat and make small controlled pulses while breathing steadily and feeling constant activation in your glutes. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!